after last video, I made it sound a little bit too easy. It wasn't. I thought I could just keep these in to be able to put the 4 screws on the sides there. I mean at the 4 corners. But it turns out that you're going to have to remove this from the printer, and then once you have these off, you're going to have to make sure that all of these are in. You can't over tighten them. And right now they're not fully tightened either, because if you do that, then it makes it almost impossible for you to be able to put all 4 corners down. So that's something to think about while you're doing this. You can't really over tighten the corners until you got some things placed. And also the other thing that I found really frustrating was that when you turn around, there's going to be like little nuts in here. Probably can't see it, but there's like little nuts in there where these screw into, and some of them were not glued in. So while I was trying to do the FEP, they came out, and then you have to put them back in, which is also really difficult because there's not a whole lot of space for you to put your fingers in to stick them back in there. So something else to think about when you're doing this process. Anyway, I'm going to move forward with this, and I'll see you in the next video.